This is a video to correct task 3, page 157. So if you didn't do this task before, please stop the video and go and try to do it. And after that, return and check your work. Okay, so let's read together. People are invited to compete to be contestant or contestant in a television quiz show. So here are some possible outcomes for the person who is chosen. The contestant is a woman over 25 years old. B, contestant is a man. C, the contestant is 21 years old. And D, the contestant is a 30 years old man. Now, the first question, list the possible pairs of mutually exclusive outcomes. Right. Well, the first one, I have a contestant that is a woman and she should be over 25 years old. Okay, so A and B cannot happen at the same time. Why is that? Because A, the contestant is a woman, B, the contestant is a man. So it can't be man and woman at the same time. So A and B are mutually exclusive. Let me write it in a better way. A and B are mutually exclusive. So this is the first pair that I need to consider, A and B. Now after that, I can choose, my criteria is the age. So the contestant is 21 years old and the contestant here is over 25 years old. So A and C cannot happen at the same time, A and C. Now, what about A and D? The contestant is 30 years old man, and here the contestant is a woman that is over 25 years old. So A and D cannot happen at the same time. Even we are talking about an age that can happen here, over 25, but it's a man here, not a woman. Right. And after that, can I say the contestant is 21 years old and D? Because here it's 30 years old. So yeah, C and D, they are mutually exclusive as well. They cannot happen at the same time. I'm not sure if there is another thing left. I think we covered everything. A and B, A and C, A and D, C and D. B and C, can they happen at the same time? The contestant is 21 years old. The contestant is a man. Well, it can happen at the same time. There is no interdiction for that. A and C, well, we already did said that. A and B, we already did that. And what about B and C? The contestant is a man. The contestant is a 30 years old man. They can happen at the same time. In C and D, they can happen at the same time. So I think we checked or we wrote all the mutually exclusive outcomes. So this is for A. For B, list 3 of the outcomes that are all mutually exclusive. So we are not talking about 2 mutually exclusive, but 3 mutually exclusive outcomes. Well, I think this one, A, and the contestant is 21 years old, this one, and this one, they can't happen at the same time. So here I have a woman, here I have a contestant 21 years old, and I have a 30 years old. So these 2 ages, they cannot happen at the same time. And here, since it's over 25 and here it's 21, it cannot happen at the same time. Here at 25 and 30, it can't happen at the same time. Well, it can happen at the same time, but the fact that we are looking for a man here and a woman here, it makes it impossible for it to be happening at the same time. So I think A and C and D, A and, well, A, C and D are mutually exclusive outcomes. Exclusive, look at that. Exclusive outcomes. All right, what can you say about the probability of B and C? So B and C, the contestant is a man, the contestant is a 30 years old man. Well, here I cannot calculate the probability of B and C. I just can say that the probability of D should be less than the probability of B. Why is that? Because the probability of or the event B is more general than the event D. Here we are looking for all the men in the contestants, or in the people that are trying to get to win the competition. But here we are more specific, right? So the selection is tighter. So this is why I think that the probability for this one should be um, smaller than this one. So the only thing that I can say is that the probability of D is smaller than the probability of B, because B, I'm looking for all the men there, but in D I'm being more specific. So D, its probability is smaller than B. All right, well, let me know if you need more explanation about that, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you during the Zoom session. Bye bye.